For latest updates and new videos, please subscribe to this channel. नई जानकारी और वीडियोस के लिए सब्सक्राइब करना ना भूलें.
This is Pandit Parsai and welcome to my channel, and I'm glad to be with you people. The topic that I'll be talking about today is, I've mentioned about that a few times in the past in some of my previous posts, and it is, what is astrology? There is a lot of misconception about astrology. There is a lot of misnomer. There's a lot of, people call it hocus pocus, people call it hogwash. All kinds of insinuations are given, and yet the fact is, most people do consult. They take a peek into their forecast here and there, and we do visit astrologers. But in general, there is such a mistrust and not knowing what astrology is. So I would like to clarify some of the issues over here, clarify what exactly astrology is and what it is not. And it should not generally become, and it is in general, the favorite punching bag for everybody, whoever wants to denounce it, whoever wants to make fun of it, whoever wants to make jokes about it, or whoever wants to make it a hocus pocus. It has been called hocus pocus, it has been called, a lot of things it has been called. It has been called a lot of things. To understand what astrology is, let us begin with what astrology is not. Astrology is not any card reading. Card reading is not astrology. It is not psychic channels. It is not personal premonitions. It is not my personal feeling or my premonitions or one individual person's grasp into the extraterrestrial or into the unknown or beyond or esoteric or whatever it may be. Astrology is, in the strictest sense, based on astronomy. It is, the casting of the horoscope is pure astronomy. If I have a horoscope of this time casted in front of me, I should stand out in the open field and should be able to see the zodiac signs as well as the planets in those positions, whatever is visible in my part of the hemisphere. So let us first understand this part of astrology, that casting of a chart is pure astronomy. If I cast a chart, it is mathematical calculations. That data can be evaluated from NASA and other places as to where the particular planets are, and it is going to be cast on that basis. Now we come to the second part of astrology. You see, there is something known as a phenomena and there is an interpretation. The question over here, or the issue over here, is that the interpretation doesn't negate the phenomena. If the phenomena was there of lightning and people did not understand lightning and they gave different explanations to it, that did not negate the fact that there was something like this lightning. If I don't understand or if I can't interpret the chart, that doesn't negate the fact that those celestial bodies are sitting in those places in my horoscope. It still remains the fact. So my or any one person's interpretation of an event doesn't make that event right, wrong or bad. Like currently the pandemic of corona is going on, different people have given different interpretations to it. And not only in astrology, even in scientific field, even in medical field. If I would draw similes, I'm quite sure a few doctor friends of mine are going to be a little bit upset about it. But a blood report is a phenomena. It gives me some measurements. A blood report, what I go take to send a sample of my blood to the lab and I get some results back, that is a phenomena that gives me certain values of certain minerals and chemicals and other things in my body, in my blood work. Now, the interpretation is independent to different doctors and different bodies. Like some places 120 sugar is not considered as high sugar, some places 100 sugar is there, some places it is 80. Now if you go look into the history, over the time period things have changed from 120 to it has been brought down to 80. It has been brought down to 100 depending on the places we are. Does it mean that the science of blood work is wrong? No. Science of blood work is accurate. It doesn't negate the fact that somebody's blood sugar is 120. So, one thing we can conclude is that astrology, and I'm going to support it further when I'm going to move ahead into these episodes of mine, that astrology, casting of horoscope is pure science. Interpretation is individual to a person, both depending on the practitioner. So the practitioner can be good or bad, not the science. Unfortunately, in astrology, more than often, in fact not more than often, 100% of the time or 99% of the time, it is astrology that is blamed as a hocus pocus rather than saying the person practicing astrology was bad. In medical field it happens every day. But medical field is not blamed. The doctor is blamed. It is said the doctor was not able to do a good job. The doctor was not able to interpret my symptoms. The doctor was not able to interpret my X-ray properly. The doctor was not able to interpret my blood work properly. Unfortunately, in astrology, it always lands up that that astrology is bad. Nobody talks about the astrologer not knowing his job. So one thing we can definitely understand and conclude is astrology is scientific data casted in a horoscope, and the interpretation is individual to individual practitioners, what they understand from it. Thank you. Pandit Persai. In my next episode, I'll elaborate further on this point. Thank you.
For latest updates and new videos, प्लीज़ सब्सक्राइब टू दिस चैनल। नई जानकारी और वीडियोस के लिए सब्सक्राइब करना ना भूलें।